Hi, in this video I will show you how to change the voice for TikTok while converting your text to the speech. So in this way I will share voices similar to TikTok voices in female and the male version. I go through the many websites but I bring two best websites for you to do this. So overview of this tutorial is that how you can convert your text to speech, and then you can use that audio with your video, how you can do it. So let's start the procedure. In this video I will give you websites and then the voice names that you have to use in the video. So let's start the procedure. So first of all, you have to go to the Google and you have to search for the voicegenerator.io. But remember that this website is only work for your laptop. You won't use it on the mobile. So in the voice generator you have to write your text. If you are on your computer or on the laptop, you have to write your text here. Hi, this is my tutorial. You can write anything according to your choice, and then in the voices you have to search for the Google US female option for the female voice, and for the male you have to search for the Google UK male option and then download this. So right now I am on my mobile, so I will discuss related to the mobile version. So to do this on your mobile, you have to first of all search for the TTS mp3.com, and once you will search for it, you will see this type of the front end. Here you have to write the text that you want to convert to speech, and also you have I will tell you two voices that is similar to TikTok female and the English related voices. So write your text first here, and then you have to click here and you have to search for the US English Sally if you are looking for the female voice. And but if you want to convert your text to speech in English boy, you have to search for the Brian here. So search for it from here. So this is the Brian. You have to click on it and click on the read.
Hi, this is tutorial.
This voice is similar to TikTok voice, and for the female you have to search for the Sally and click on the read.
Hi, this is tutorial.
So once you will do it, now you have to click on the download as MP3. Okay, now this file is downloaded in your phone. Record your video and you have to create a new tab and you have to search for the capping here. So capping is basically editor. So you have to click on the video editor. This editor is available on the Google and online. You can use it on the iOS or on the Android. Simply upload your video file here and then upload your audio file that you have downloaded from the ttsmp3.com and convert your video by converting your text to speech and upload it on the TikTok. But if you don't understand this platform and you know how to use CapCut, in short this type of the editors, you can simply open that. Once you will open it, create a new project, upload the one video there, and then you have to upload audio. Go to the sounds and you have to go to the devices. From here it's loading. Go to the from devices and here you will find TTS mp3, that file you have downloaded from the Google. Add it on the background and play.
Hi, this is tutorial.
So you will see it's added.
Hi, this is tutorial.
Now export this video from here. It's exported. Now go back and open your TikTok application. Once you will on your TikTok, click on the plus sign and click on the upload. Okay, tap on it, click on the next, and now click on the next. Once your video is uploaded, now you have to enter the text similar with the voice. Hi, this is tutorial, and you can also convert this like. Okay, now your video is ready. Upload it on the TikTok. So this is the procedure. Use these websites to do this. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.